Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss how a mint and Cilantro chutney can be prepared. Okay, so let's start discussion on this. First, I will discuss about the ingredients or materials required to prepare, which are 1 cup fresh mint leaves, half cup fresh Cilantro leaves, half-inch piece of ginger peeled and roughly chopped, 1 to 2 green chilies depending on how spicy you like it, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon roasted cumin powder, salt to taste, 2 to 3 tablespoons water as needed. Now I will discuss about the preparation of this chutney. Okay. So first, wash the mint and Cilantro leaves thoroughly and drain off excess water. Then, in a blender or food processor, add the mint leaves, Cilantro leaves, ginger, and green chilies. Then blend everything together until you get a coarse paste. Then add lemon juice, roasted cumin powder and salt to taste and mix well as shown in the video. Then add water 1 tablespoon at a time and blend again until you get a smooth chutney consistency. Then taste and adjust the seasoning if necessary. Finally, transfer the chutney to a serving bowl and refrigerate until ready to use. Thank you. And if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.